Hello all. Thank you to coming to my channel, that is Sant Yoga. Welcome you all. In this video we will learn and understand how yoga can be useful for our healthy and fit lifestyle. Please understand, in this video whatever things I will be telling, that is my experience, my understanding about yoga. And specifically in this video my focus is about anxiety. So let us see and learn how to avoid anxiety. See the source and inspiration for this video. In previous video, VVS Sydney, one of the viewer, he has requested to make video for the anxiety management. So that is what I am making this video. So VVS Sydney, thank you for your feedback. Please see the video and give your feedback, which will help to improve this video. Thank you. Vision is fit and holistic lifestyle for all of us. For that, our mission is overall fitness of body, mind and soul. And anxiety is one of the big challenge for fitness of our mind. To our approach for managing the anxiety is managing anxiety by learning about it. Means we will know what it is, what is the symptom, why it is, what is the cause, how it is, how to solve this anxiety problem. So all these things we will learn and we will manage our anxiety. What is the symptom for the anxiety? So first one is there is sweating. You will feel the sweating that is abnormal. Then you will feel abnormal heartbeat, palpitation. Then you will have feeling of stress. So some fear will be there. So whenever you have this kind of thing which is not normal, then it means you are having problem of anxiety. Understand what is the reason for an anxiety? Okay, so mainly in anxiety there is two reasons: either physical disorder, somewhere in the body, something problem physically, or psychological disorder, somewhere inside our mind we are not stable, something issue with our mental status. So there is two mainly reason for an anxiety. What are the factors are there which lead to the physical disorder? So this may be because of ulcer in your body, or maybe asthma, or maybe your thyroid gland is not working properly, abnormal functioning, or you are using artificial stimulant, or you are using too much of caffeine, or you are consuming diet pills, or maybe you have taken some medicine and that was reacted to you. So because of these things you will have physical disorder, and this physical disorder may lead to an anxiety. And the second reason for an anxiety is psychological. So this psychological disorder happens due to many factors. So these factors may be food, continuity of food, or maybe continuity of shelter, or clothing, or not having the money, or some unplanned medical expenses, or some safety related issue, or maybe some health related issue, or maybe family relationship related issue, or maybe some social issue, or if we have some status in the society, then how to maintain the status. So all these things lead to the psychological disorder, and this psychological disorder is major for the anxiety. and compared to the physical disorder and psychological disorder, my thinking is psychological disorder plays a major role in anxiety. So we need to focus and improve on the psychological disorder. Now we are at the most important slide of our this video. This video talks about the method and the tools Ashtanga Yoga suggests to manage the anxiety. So, as we understand, our approach for the managing the anxiety was to by learning about the anxiety. So let us know the action which will give the solution for the anxiety. So as we know, the first M is about the external discipline. So this tool is like a support group, or we can take the medication for the physical disorder. Okay, and the next one is niyama. Niyama is about the internal discipline, means mindfulness, awareness. So whenever we are doing anything, we should be very much aware and focus about the what we are doing. So this helps to understand the consequences and the result and action. So we'll have the control on our mind status and control on anxiety. Then this is one of the important thing, that is asana. That is the third tool. So in asana we will do many exercise, and by doing the exercise we can improve our body and our self confidence and our mind status. Okay, now this is the one of the most important point about the Ashtanga yoga for the managing the anxiety. So that is pranayam, so breathing technique. In this video our main objective is to know the what is the breathing technique which will help us to manage the anxiety. So we will learn more about the breathing technique. Then there is pratyahar, the another tool. So this tool talks about the what are the things we should leave which is not necessary for us, which is the unnecessary we have to keep with us, and which leads to the anxiety or problem. So some of the food habit we have to change, some of the stress related things we have to do, relaxation. So these things we'll learn in the upcoming video. Next one is about the dharana. This is basically strengthening of the mind, how to improve your mind mental status, how to be more assertive, how to improve your self-esteem. So there is cognitive theory like that, wherein you will be turning from, you will doing the self hypnosis, you will program yourself to be positive, to be assertive, to be to improve your self-esteem. So that is dharana. Then the another thing is about dhyan. So this is basically tool is basically practical tool, so wherein you will be exposed to the situation. So that is exposure therapy, and you have to manage the situation. Okay, or you will doing the structured way of solving the problem. That is, you will do why analysis, why something happened, why there is problem in our life, what is the reason for the problem, what is the root cause. Then you will come to the solution for the root cause, so that you can solve your anxiety problem. So this is the our Ashtanga yoga tool for the managing the anxiety. So what is important here is stop negative thinking and believe in yourself. That is what is the basic approach. So believe in yourself and work on the Ashtanga yoga method. So we will do. Important here is in all these exercise, all these tools is the what we will be focusing in this slide. So our focus will be pranayam. Okay, so let us continue to see one video where we will understand what is the method, how to do the breathing, so that we can regulate our breath. And breathe is, we cannot regulate, this is automatic, it happens. but we will practice, we will program our mind how to regulate the breath. So if our mind becomes capable to regulate the breath, then it will be capable to regulate our thoughts also. So we will be basically strengthening our mind by strengthening the breathing, by using the breathing technique to make our mind regulate ourselves. So we will be, so that we can regulate our mind in much better way to manage the anxiety. So let's see the video. In pranayam position, sit straight, backbone straight, front straight, ears above shoulders, and leg in comfortable position in Sukhasana or Padmasana or in Vajrasana. Okay. Hand finger in chin mudra, index finger, thumb finger touching each other on your knees. Okay. Sit straight. Okay. Chest outside. Okay. Eyes straight in the horizon. Okay. Since we are doing about the anxiety management, so we will focus on the relaxation. So we'll go for the deep relaxation. Okay. So for deep relaxation, sit comfortably in your comfortable position. Okay. Then close your eyes and do the breathing and focus on the breathing. Breathe in will be from nose, slow and deep breathing. While breathing in, chest will come outside, and while breathe out from your mouth, and chest will go down, stomach inside. Okay. So breathe in deep from nose. Okay. And open your mouth, breathe out from mouth. So this breathe in and breathe out should happen without any sound. So no sound should come, but it should be deep. Okay. And when we are breathing in, so that time in our mind we should think that all the good thing whatever outside we are taking in, and all the issues inside me, the stress, the strain, the pain, the uncomfort, everything inside me is I am throwing out. So that feeling we should have inside our mind. So when throwing air out from mouth, throw all this worry from outside from mouth, and from nose take all the good thing inside. So this is deep relaxation. Now next one is Anulom Vilom. So with our hand, ring finger and thumb finger will make like this, and this thumb finger will close our right nostrils, and with the ring finger left nostrils, and will regulate our breath by closing the nostrils. So breathing will happen because of closing or opening of nose passage. It is not because of the lung effort. Okay. So we'll start with breathe in from ring finger and hold by pressing the both the nostril, and from right side from thumb release, slow and deep release. Okay. And hold. So breathe in, hold, breathe out and hold. All durations should be same, approximately 8 seconds. Okay. Now from the same side, thumb finger side, breathe in, deep breathe in and hold. Focus on your breath, focus on your nose, and breathe out from ring finger side. Okay. So breathe out slow and deep. Duration should be approximately 8 seconds for each stage. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold. Hand will be always in the chin mudra, fingers, and Now breathe out we did from our ring finger side. So again breathe in should also happen from the ring finger side. So same side we have to do the breathe out and breathe in. Okay. Now breathe out from right side. So hold, and again we'll do breathe in from our right side, that is thumb finger side. So same side, breathe out and breathe in, and we'll complete the cycle. So important thing is our focus and our alertness to our breath. And in this Anulom Vilom, all the breathing happens because of lung effort, but hold and is happening because of we are passage, nose passage is closed, so hold. Okay, so hold should not happen from the lungs. So this is Anulom Vilom, very effective for the mind control, because from breath control we are going in the mind control and anxiety control. Very good exercise for the mind control and anxiety management. Okay, now because we had been focusing on our breath, so our eyes should be completely relaxed. So to wake up our eyes, we have to do eye relaxation by rubbing our hand each other and warm up the muscles around the eyes, and then rotate in one direction and then opposite direction. Then press the muscles around the eyes, not press the eyes, only muscles, and slowly open your eyes inside and move your hand down and see the world outside. This is what is, as we have seen the breathing technique in the video, and this was the first video on the anxiety management. So more about the information, less about the pranayam. So I understand this will be a long video and long series will be there, so many more series will come under the anxiety management, and in those video I will talk about more about the pranayam. We'll see more technique about the pranayam, and also we'll see about the niyamas, that is the mindfulness and awareness technique. Also we'll learn about some of the exercise which will help for the anxiety management, and also we'll learn the pratyahara technique, that is the relaxation techniques, and also we'll learn some of the food habit we should get rid of to manage. So all these topics I will cover in one video. So there will be many video in this anxiety management. I hope we will be able to work on this anxiety management, and we can have a good and healthy lifestyle and free from anxiety, or at least we can reduce the anxiety in our life. Okay, thank you. Stay tuned for more video on the anxiety management, so you will be getting more information. And about this particular video, please give your feedback and comment in the comment section. What are things you liked and what are things you think that can be changed. Also I will request all of you to please share this video with your friends and family, so that these can be useful for them also to manage their anxiety. With this, I am very much thank you to be with me for a long time with me. Thank you. Namaste and pranam.